Righty ho. So now we've drawn a really basic house and we want to have a go at chucking some dimensions on it. Now you could go about this the really laborious way of individually dimensioning elements using this tool over here, and you may still choose to use that in addition. But the clever thing we're going to show you is how to use the automatic dimensioning tool. So what we'll do is we'll select our entire building, so it all goes green. Then we come up to Document, Document Extras, down here, Automatic Dimensioning, Exterior Dimensioning, and then the stuff here comes up. Let's make sure that dimension openings are ticked. I'm going to do here and go wall hole size, basically tick everything else, and then go OK. Again, our elements of what we have to do next always come up in that bottom left-hand corner. So it says here, click on an element to define the dimension direction, or click the first point of the direction vector. I'm just going to make it easier. I'm just going to click on this arrow here. Come in here, make sure it's at that 90-degree angle, and it says click to place the first innermost dimension line. I'll click that here, and as you can see, all my things are already dimensioned. Now, what I can do on top of this is I want to change, if you see here, the arrowheads are not quite the style that I'd like them to be. So I can go and select and change all of these in one hit. So I'll use the arrow tool and then hold the shift key down. And then hold the shift key down again. And hold the shift key. Cleared that, that's a bit silly. Just be a bit careful with the shift key holding down. As you see, I just start again there. Cool, now I've got selected all these. I'll come here, which is where I'm going to change my settings. And I'll change that that marker selection there to a big black arrow. And there's all sorts of other different elements I could change on my thing. I might go in here and I could make my custom witness line length. I could we'll leave it at 400 for the moment anyway. Then if I go OK, I can zoom in and you can see where these arrows are. Now you'll notice that some of these with the automatic dimensioning, they end up repeating themselves. For example, this 10,000 here, there's repeated. So if I can just go in here and click, I can just hit delete, and that one there will disappear, and so on and so forth. So just go and delete anything that duplicates itself can just be deleted. The cool thing about this as well is if I then go and change the size of my drawing later on, these will also update. And that's the basics of how to do dimensioning for your working drawings.